Jason.
Carol.
Bert.
Hello, and thank you all for coming. I am Amanda Owen, and I have been Greg's partner for the last 6 or so years. Today we are here to celebrate Greg on his retirement from EMS, even though we are still hoping that he will change his mind and stay. Greg has put in 34 years of service with our department and has helped countless people in the community during his time as an EMT and paramedic. Greg, you have been a wonderful partner, and I have learned so much from you. I have been so lucky to work alongside you all these years. You have been an amazing leader for our shift. You have taught us how to be there for our patients, take care of them, and taught us how to keep a good sense of humor even whenever we are having a bad day. You have always shown us that we can learn from anybody, no matter what certification level they hold. Working with you has been one of the biggest honors during my time here. It is hard to imagine doing this job without you here with us. You have been an amazing leader and friend. I will always be grateful for the time that you and I have had as a partner. You have been the backbone of our shift, and C shift will not be the same without you. Even though we will be seeing you regularly, it will not be the same. We won't have the same sarcastic comments, the inside jokes, and the awkward situations that you are notorious for getting us into. Greg, I hope that you are happy with your future endeavors and you enjoy sleeping through the night, and please don't laugh at us whenever we are the ones that are up all night. Good luck.